All right, kind of doomy, gloomy out there today. And one thing I'm already noticing when I'm driving home at night is that it's getting darker earlier.
Yeah, I had just bought
Not to
some new sunglasses I was decided to try out, and I like walked out of here yesterday, and I was like, oh yeah, I don't need these.
Yeah.
Plus, Instagram told me in a 70-30 split that I could barely pull them off. So.
Hey, at least you got up to that 70-30.
I did. That's what I wanted. That's what I wanted, and I'm still returning them. They were.
Okay.
They're super reflective looking, and I just didn't know if they were too trendy. But anyways. Neither here nor there. Also, guys, have you ever bought sunglasses that make it brighter than it is outside? Like they're literally make it lighter out than
yes.
reality.
Is it because do they not like
lens.
wrap around your eye? Is the light reflecting off the back of the lens and coming back into your eye?
No, like just literally the color of the lens is like
it
amped
brightens
up.
everything.
Just brightens everything.
And I'm like, I don't want that. The reason that I have sunglasses is to take it down a notch. Maybe you can put that on that Amazon shopping list.
Perfect.
Sammy.
Perfect.
Couple sprinkles out there, not a lot of rain, just gloomy, as we noted before. This line of showers and storms is the major one that's going to come through later, but it doesn't look all that healthy, and it still has quite a bit of distance to travel here through New Hampshire. So we'll keep an eye on the southern end of this line of showers and storms. It will come into an environment where the dew points are in the 60s, so that's supportive at least of some heavy downpours, a lot of precipitable water in the atmosphere, but I don't think there's likely to be a lot of severe weather with these showers and storms as they come through. About 7, 8 o'clock over western Maine, and notice how this model kind of evaporates them quickly through the mid-coast. I'm not sure they totally go away, but they definitely get weaker as they move farther east and it gets later into the evening. It's a pretty mild night. Temperatures in the 60s in the middle of the night for mid-September is pretty warm. Tomorrow the air mass is different. It's a nice day, especially along the coastline. The one thing you'll notice though is that upper 70s, a lot of sun, very breezy. So winds will be kicking 30 miles an hour, sometimes a little bit more than that. So it'll be noticeably windy throughout the day. And then Thursday looks good, but it gets pretty cool here. Thursday morning, Friday morning, temperatures in the 40s, couple of 30s. And we end up only in the 60s for highs. So it will be a substantially cooler air mass in place. So those showers and storms come through tonight, and then we get on that windier, cooler side. Beautiful on Thursday and Friday. And the dew points go down significantly starting late tonight, but most of us probably notice it tomorrow morning. But look what happens by tomorrow night. Boom, totally gone. Dew points in the 30s, legitimately dry air in place. Now let's talk about the weekend. This is a front hanging around. I had some concerns about that for the weekend. I think the way it's going to play out is that Saturday ends up being a nice day, a lot of sunshine, right around 70, 72, beautiful. And then Sunday's maybe a split state forecast in which southern Maine could see some showers. Central and northern Maine might make out better. So we're going to work on nailing down that front position, but I think that Saturday is the better of the 2 weekend days right now because that front is just kind of meddling around. What we want, guys, is for the front to just pick a direction squarely. So either it goes way to our north and we're mild, or it goes way to our south and we're cool but sunny. What we don't want is this indecisive front that we might have on Sunday, which is kind of parked over us. So we just want it to
figure it out.
pick a
You
direction.
mean because it makes your job harder, or because
Correct.
it's just not as fun weather?
No, well, both. Because the weekend, the thing is, you can be on either side of the front this time of year and be happy, but you just can't be on the front. And so that's why Sunday, I think, like some of us might be on the front, but we'll deal with that when we get there. A couple of beautiful days before it.
Awesome.
All right. Thanks, Keith.